Hi everyone, Dave from Repairs Rule. So today I wanted to touch back on print on demand for just a moment. I know that you've heard of different ways to do print on demand, and you're wondering about selling your t-shirts or how to sell your t-shirt. Should you be putting them on Etsy or on eBay or some other store, or how should you do it? Well, as you know, I try to get people to think outside of the box. And that's what I want to talk about today. Give you a way to think about selling your t-shirts in a way that I'm sure you're going to enjoy this, and I'm sure that it can be profitable for you. So you know how um, your different schools and things, and people will approach them to do t-shirts for their, you know, teams or sports teams, baseball, football, whatever, basketball, the cheerleaders, whatever. And they will try to do ways to have money making things where they're selling different things for whatever reason. That is one way that you can do it. Approach those schools and you can say, I'll tell you what, you give me the design that you want and I will set it up and I will give you whatever, $3 for every t-shirt that you sell, for instance. Now, when you set this up, you set it up to where you're making $6 profit on the t-shirt. So you can give each one of these kids or students $3 per shirt that they're selling for their school, and you're profiting $3 from each kid sales. So each kid selling 10 or whatever, five, you're getting sales off of each one of those kids. All you have to do is set up the design and set up the platform to sell it. And that's what print on demand can really help you. Now, I'm going to take you outside of the normal thinking. A lot of people thought of that. So I'm going to slide back here. I'm going to show you this t-shirt and what this means and another way for you to do it. Hey, let me break in here for just a moment and explain that I have other print on demand videos up on this channel. You need to go look at those and how to get set up to have your own t-shirts made. I lay it out how to do it and also the companies that I personally use. I'm an affiliate for a lot of different companies, so I always have the affiliate links in the description below, and I'd appreciate if you'd use those affiliate links. But on this video, you definitely want to hang around until the end because there's some good information coming to you here in just a moment on this video that you have not heard before. So hang in there, stay tuned, and let's get back to the video. So you can see on this t-shirt that it says, get a t-shirt like this, and it says, ask me how. So um, this one is made up for supporting your local's farmers market. So let's talk about that. Let's say you set up a t-shirt like I have done with this one. And what I do is I personally wear this to the local farm market. I will approach the different vendors at a farm market and try to strike up a conversation with them. And invariably, they're going to ask you about that t-shirt. They're going to ask you, how can I get one like that? Because you can make one up to say whatever you want on it. Have the same logo and it says Hanby Farms or whoever, Matthews Farms, whoever. And the deal here, what you want to do is you go in and you make these contacts and you say, I'll tell you what, if you're willing to do this, I will give you a t-shirt. So you give them a t-shirt And then and you explain to them, here's what I'll do. Just like we just talked about with the kids at school. For every one of these shirts that you sell, I will give you $3 or whatever, whatever amount that you say. And you've built into that your profit margin. So what happens is you have these people sitting around with support your local farmers market, Hanby Farms or whatever they put on it, shaking people's hands and telling them how they can get a support your farmers market t-shirt. Every time they sell one, each one of those vendors, every time each vendor sells one, you make money. You give them money too, but I mean, it's a real easy way to get out, have other outside salespeople selling t-shirts for you. It's an easy way to do it. So just start thinking, guys, think outside of the box. There's so many different ways. You know, you automatically think, well, I just need to put it on Etsy or I just need to put it on eBay or whatever. I don't want to order in 100 t-shirts and take them to a craft show. You don't have to if you set it up the way I just explained with this one. You have outside salespeople selling your t-shirts for you. So it's just an entrepreneur way of looking at how to capitalize, think outside of the box, and you can make this work. Print on demand, the nice thing about print on demand, you don't have any inventory. I mean, as long as an order goes in, that company will print it and ship it and pay you the profit. So you may as well have a bunch of people out there selling your shirts for a little bit of profit for them, but at the same time, profit for you. So just think, you have whatever, 50, 100, however many outside salespeople selling your shirts, you're going to see some monthly income coming in. All you have to do, go set it up. So if you want more information like this and how to set it up, I can help you with that. And like I've explained before, these different building blocks need to be put in place. Your own website, very important. A place to drive people to. And your own business cards, very important. And we can talk about all of those things. So again, if you like this kind of information, like and subscribe. More videos are coming, all different types of side hustle projects, and I'll see you on the next video.